In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate your work with Slack. We're going to walk you through how to use Slack's workflow builder so you can save time on repetitive tasks, standardize simple processes, and keep your team aligned without extra manual work. I'll guide you step by step, and you can follow along in your own Slack workspace as we go. Start by opening Slack on your desktop. Look toward the top left corner of your screen where you see your workspace name in your own profile. Right beside your name, you'll see a small arrow. Click on that arrow. This opens a drop-down menu with a variety of options related to your account and workspace. From this drop-down, look for the option labeled Tools and Settings. This is where Slack hides many of its more powerful features, including the automation tools. Go ahead and click on Tools and Settings, and when you do, a panel or menu will appear with several advanced options. In that menu, find and select Workflow Builder. Workflow Builder is Slack's built-in tool for creating simple automations like sending welcoming messages, collecting requests, or routing information to specific channels. Click on Workflow Builder and a new window or tab will open showing you a dedicated interface for managing workflows. Inside Workflow Builder, look to the top or side of the screen for a button that says Plus New. This is what you'll use to start a brand new automation. Click the Plus New button. This tells Slack that you want to create a fresh workflow rather than editing an existing one. Next, Slack will ask you how you want to get started. You'll typically see two main options: build workflow from scratch or create from template. If you already have a clear idea of what you want and you're comfortable setting each step, choose build workflow. If you're newer to automation or want a quick starting point, pick Create from Template and browse the ready-made examples. Select the option that best fits your needs. Once you've made your choice, just follow the on-screen prompts. Slack will guide you through choosing a trigger, like a message in a channel or someone submitting a form, and then adding actions such as sending a message, posting to a channel, or collecting information. Take your time to read each instruction and confirm your settings. When you're done, save and publish your workflow. From that point on, Slack will automatically handle those processes for you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and check out our other tutorials.